A very good morning, my dear students. We have already started with the chapter Animals, How Life Goes On. In this chapter, we have already learned what is reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is the process of producing young ones of their own kind. And this is the major process which is required for the life to exist on earth. Right? Now we have also learned there are two ways how animals reproduce. Do you remember? The first way was giving birth to young ones, and second one was by laying eggs. We also learned that the organisms which give birth to the young ones, what are they called? They are called mammals, right? We learned about the different characteristics of mammals also. We also learned that there are some organisms which give birth by laying eggs. And if you remember, I told you birds, they lay eggs and they build nests for it, right? They sit on the eggs and the young one comes out from the egg. This is how it happens, right? You also remember that I told you even some insects are there which lay eggs, and from the eggs the young one comes out, right? We learnt about, frog, we learnt about fishes, we learnt about snakes, all the reptiles. How do they give birth? They lay eggs in the holes in the ground. Frog lay eggs in water. There are different ways how they take care of the young one. ठीक है, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट द इंसेक्ट्स. वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट टू टाइप ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स बेसिकली टुडे. हाउ द साइकिल गोज ऑन, हाउ द यंग वन व्हिच कम्स आउट फ्रॉम द एग कन्वर्ट्स इनटू एन एडल्ट वन, right? So today we are going to learn about the life cycle of cockroach, and we are going to learn about the life cycle of butterfly, right? Both are insects, right? Both lay eggs, right? And the young one of both of them are different, right? So let us start with cockroach. Now if we see about the life cycle of cockroach, you can see here the adult cockroach, it's going to lay the eggs, right? From the eggs the young one hatches out. The young one which comes out of the egg is called nymph. क्या कहते हैं उसको? Nymph. These are one of the important questions which could be asked, so you need to learn the names. The young one of a cockroach is called as nymph, right? Now what happens basically when the nymph is going to be produced, what will happen? It is going to shed the old skin many times, और इस process को कहते हैं molting. Molting मतलब shedding of old skin, removal of old skin और shed, right? तो shell उसका जो outer covering होता है वो remove हो जाता है, right? And the new one grows, and then nymph is converted to adult, right? I repeat once again, there are three stages. First stage क्या है? It's going to lay the eggs. What will happen? From the eggs the young one comes out. What is that baby insect called? It is called nymph, right? Is that thing clear? What it is called as? Nymph. Now this nymph is going to shed the old skin, और इस process को क्या कहते हैं? Shedding of old skin is called molting. What it is called as? Molting, right? And after that it is going to convert into cockroach, that is adult cockroach. Is that thing clear to you? Right? So that process of conversion of nymph to the adult, or shedding of old skin, we call it as molting. I hope it's clear to you, right? Okay, now let us talk about the life cycle of butterfly. If we talk about butterfly, there are four stages. There are four stages in the life cycle of butterfly. Here also what will happen? The adult is going to produce the eggs, right? Now from the eggs the young one which comes out is called as caterpillar. Basically तो जो young one बाहर आता है that is called larva. क्या कहते हैं हम इसको? Larva. Now this larva in case of butterfly is called caterpillar. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar, right? And then this is going to feed on the leaves. ये क्या खाते हैं? Leaves. And they have the outer covering. उसके बाद उसके around एक outer covering बन जाती है जिसको हम कहते हैं pupa. It's a hard covering which is formed. और उसके अंदर इंसेक्ट होता है. आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर सम टाइम, दैट आउटर कवरिंग, दैट इज प्यूपा, इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक, बर्स्ट, और उसमें से क्या आ जाएगा? एडल्ट बटरफ्लाई. जिस 4 स्टेजेस हैं इसमें. ठीक है. जनरली दिस इज द मेन साइकिल विच इज सिमिलर इन केस ऑफ हाउस फ्लाई ऑल्सो. आई टेल यू व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस. तो बटरफ्लाई के केस में कितनी स्टेजेस हैं? 4. एडल्ट वन इज गोइंग टू ले द एग्स. From the eggs, the young one which comes out is called larva, right? Then it is going to feed on leaves. They eat leaves and they grow. And उनके around एक outer covering बनती है जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? pupa, right? और उसके बाद जो outer covering होगी, it is going to burst. उसके अंदर क्या है? insect. And that insect is going to come out as a adult. This is how the cycle goes on. And again the adult is going to lay the eggs. This is how the cycle goes on. अगर आपके पास बटरफ्लाई के अलावा हाउस फ्लाई अगर आ जाता है, सेम साइकिल है, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो हाउस फ्लाई का लावा होता है, that is called as maggot. What we call it as? Maggot. MAGGOT. So you must remember the larva of house fly is called caterpillar. It looks like worm, right? And the larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar, and the larva of housefly is called maggot. Rest of the cycle is same. I hope it's clear to you. The rest of the cycle remains the same. अब इन दोनों में difference क्या है? There are 3 stages here, and the young one of a cockroach, baby insect of cockroach is called nymph, और यहाँ पर हम क्या कहते हैं? Caterpillar. अब ये जो nymph होता है ना, बड़ा similar होता है adult की तरह. It looks like a parent. Lot of similarities there, लेकिन यहाँ पर quite large differences there. उनके बिल्कुल similar नहीं होता है वो. There is a difference in the structure of their body, right? So it's difference here between the parent and the young one. But here there is a lot of similarity. This is the major difference, right? So I repeat once more. There are 3 stages in the life cycle of cockroach. Adult one is going to lay the eggs. From the egg, the young one comes out. That is called as nymph. And it goes to adult. In case of life cycle of butterfly, there are 4 stages. Adult is going to lay the eggs. From the eggs, the young one which comes out, that is basically called as larva. अब अगर बटरफ्लाई का साइकिल है तो लार्वा को क्या कहते हैं? कैटरपिलर. और अगर हाउस फ्लाई का साइकिल है तो हम क्या कहते हैं? मैगॉट, राइट? एंड देन इट विल फॉर्म अ आउटर कवरिंग. एक आउटर कवरिंग बन जाएगी, हार्ड आउटर कवरिंग, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? प्यूपा. दिस स्टेज इज कॉल्ड एज प्यूपा. And then the outer covering is going to burst, and from that the adult is going to come out. This is how the cycle goes on. I hope both these cycles are clear to you, right? Now for your homework you'll be given one assignment related to topics of this chapter, right? I hope you'll be able to do this. Thank you so much.